Hello and welcome back in my campervan. This is, you can see here, this is the noise killing isolation. It's or soundproofing. It's from the Czech company Vestin. These are the holders for the bed, and here you can see there's a heat isolation all the way around the car. All the walls are insulated, and then there is a expanded foam sprayed all over in each gap to keep it kind of like a seal. All the wires are done. Here you can see me building a wall between the cabin and the rear area. So I wanna keep these two parts separated. There's gonna be the door between, so there is possibility to walk through. So here I am building a bed frame actually. And this is another coat of isolation. Is actually like a humid barrier. It's also the heat isolation. It's a bubble foil with the aluminum coat on it, and you need to do this really properly and make sure the whole car is sealed. So you're gonna put this on the walls, on the roof, and on the ceiling, and it needs to be really sealed. So all the connections needs to be sealed. So there's another side. It's really easy to work with this material. It's not a big deal. You can just cut those duct tape, just small pieces, as you can see they're hanging from the ceiling, and I'm using them to fix this material on the position when I need to, and then I'm going through and keep going all the way around the van. Here you can see I'm putting the tanning roof on the walls. It's not really a big deal, nothing difficult, but you need to be sure that you're gonna be in the level kind of, or in the same length, same direction, both sides, to make it nice. The material is only 1.2 centimeters thick and about 9 or 10 centimeters high. I picked these boards because it should be easier. It was actually easier to install them by myself only, and the wood is pretty light. They also have thicker option, but it was pretty heavy. Yeah, so this is the second wall. I'm just pre-drilling all the holes for the screws. You can also use those metal brackets they selling with this material, so you actually have no screws at all, which is just pretty cool. But later, if you need to get behind the wall, you wouldn't be able, because all those screws are hidden behind. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. Bye.